In this video, I want to share with you a behind the scenes of a maternity shoot that I did recently in my studio apartment here. And also I'm going to show you the overall setup of the backdrop, where I position my lights, and also the settings for each light. Let's go. All right guys, so I wanted to show you the actual setup for the maternity shoot that I did. And firstly, what I'll start with is, sorry for the mess guys, but it is in my living space in my studio apartment. So this is a fashion gray background from Savage. And if I go to my right over here, this is about, I think it's a 40-inch softbox from Near right here. And I'm using the flash that I use is the Explorer 600 over here. I'll put up the information on the screen so you guys get the correct information. And once you come over here, I'm using a softbox from SmallRig. I think this is about a 20-inch or 24-inch, I don't remember. Like I mentioned before, I put the information on the screen. And I'm also using the Explorer 400 flash on that side. What I use is, this is for the hair light, so that I can separate her from the background. And this was the main light here that kind of fills her from head to toe, whether she's going to be standing straight up or she's going to be lying on the floor. That was the actual setup for the shoot that I did. Right now, guys, I don't know if you need this information, but I actually use the Osmo Pocket 3 that I'm using right now to record me right here for the behind the scenes. Sadly, when I had selected the video setting, I didn't realize it was on time lapse. So you might see the video kind of looking kind of weird, but what I did was I kind of slowed it down to make it look a little bit more natural. But you're gonna see some kind of ghosting in the video. So hope you guys appreciate that and look at the result that I showed you, that I'm going to show you in a bit. Stay tuned guys. Take a look at this quick behind the scenes of how I was communicating with the client and how I was directing her, and then you will see the actual result from each of the instructions that I gave her. Right here I'm telling her to look at her stomach, and then I show an example because I want her to feel comfortable. So now what I'm doing is I'm fixing her hair and ask her to look down at her tummy and stay very still. If you guys are getting any value from this video at all, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more. Let's get back to the video. So right here, I'm literally just showing her exactly what I need her to do in terms of her feet, her hand placement and everything. And then I'm just gonna capture the image. But what I'm also telling her is that try not to put too much pressure on your elbow to make it lock out so it looks bad. This one I literally just tell her to kind of just look at the camera, hold the jacket and smile. Here are two other examples for you to look at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just know that you can do a photo shoot in any space, big or small. My apartment is not necessarily a huge apartment, it's a decent size, but I was able to do the photo shoot for her in my apartment. And even if you look at the pictures, you can never tell what location the shoot was taken in. And also the gears that was used to capture this photo shoot will be in the description below, and will truly help the channel out if you guys use a link to purchase any of these gears. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.